Hey, what's up you guys? Thank you for tuning in to Geo Lacey Creations. Before I move on, please like and subscribe. It will mean so much to me. Thank you. Okay, so if you came to this video, you're probably wondering how to make a scrunchie. Well, this tutorial is super easy and it's actually my first time creating a scrunchie. So you guys are creating it with me together. I absolutely love how my scrunchie came out. It is super cute, and now that I know how to make it, I'm going to be making so much more now. So let's get started on my tutorial. Let's go. Pick a fabric. You will need to cut fabric 22 inches long by 3.5 inches. Then you need to cut elastic 9 inches long. So we're gonna need to fold this inside out. So I bought these multi-purpose clips at Dollar Tree. I wanted to try it out to help keep the fabric closed instead of using pins. I just wanted to try it out. It's a little thing to try out. So now we need to put the inside out. Now this could take a little while, okay? Okay, so I have a little trick for you guys. Once you completely have the fabric inside, you can start smacking it out. Smack it the crap out of it. Smack, 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 like you're doing an airhead. Like you're shaking an airhead. Shake the crap out of it because it really, really helps. Now I'm gonna iron it to make the edges nice and crisp. I do not have an iron, so I'm using my heat press. Now fold the ends in. And put the iron or heat press on it. Now to help me get the elastic through the fabric, I'm gonna use a pair of tweezers. I recommend tying a knot on the tweezers because it's gonna help you get it through the fabric. Trust me, you'll thank me later on that. There, now untie the elastic from the tweezers and you have both of the sides of the elastic out. So now all you have to do is tie a knot, triple knot it. Now I'm just gonna cut off the extra elastic there. And fold in the extra fabric into the other piece of fabric. And sew it closed. And there you have it. Oh my goodness, wasn't that super easy? I hope you guys thought it was. And I hope you're loving your scrunchie, because I am. I'm obsessed with it. So let's see how it goes. Yep, it works. Super cute. By the way, I got this fabric from an apron at Walmart and it was like $7. So yeah, anyways, thank you for watching my tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe. You guys are awesome. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Bye.